Hi, we're the Math Committee. This is our second quarterly review. On the Math Committee, we have Ms. Shipman, Ms. Duncan, Ms. Joyce, Ms. Cerullo, and Mr. Cassidy. Math goals. Our goal is to provide professional development and support in math discourse on the 5 practices for orchestrating math discourse with effectiveness measured by classroom implementation reflected in walkthrough data. This is the standard for mathematical practice number 3. Walkthrough data will show evidence of mathematical discourse in at least 50% of classrooms for all indicators of SMP number 3. Our key indicators. A2.04. Instructional teams will develop standards, aligned units of instruction for each subject and grade level. A4.01. The school implements a tiered instructional system that allows teachers to deliver evidence-based instruction aligned with the individual needs of students across all tiers. E1.06. The school regularly communicates with parents, guardians about its expectations of them and the importance of the curriculum of the home. What parents can do at home to support their children's learning. A4.16. The school develops and implements consistent, intentional, and ongoing plans to support student transitions for grade to grade and from level to level. Quarter 1 Math Night. We had our first Math Night on September 19th. Grade levels presented in small groups, second quarter standards, and modeled how we will teach each unit. Parents worked on hands-on activities and received make-and-takes to help with preparing their child for the upcoming quarter. Quarter 1 Math Night pictures. Quarter 2 Math Night. Our second Math Night will be on January 23rd at 6 to 7. Teachers from each grade level will be going over math content that will be taught in third quarter. Teachers will teach parents in small groups with hands-on activities or have guided stations set up for parents. Parents will leave with an activity to work on with their child at home. This is the committee planning for the upcoming Math Night. Proposed EOG Collaborative Kickoff. We are proposing a literacy and math night as part of the EOG kickoff that would include literacy and math activities that parents would rotate through. Families would choose to complete literacy and math scavenger hunt activities at 5 to 6 prior to dinner that will be at 6. Following dinner would be the EOG kickoff big event. Math and literacy committees are collaborating on this event. Proposed date for this is Thursday, April 11th. Thank you for watching the Math Committee's second quarterly review.